Alright, yeah, I just got this bar out. I know that usually when I do this, the first couple part, there's gonna be some like random part that's gonna be like 2 FPS. So I'm just gonna wait it out. Yeah, just cut this part out. But you know what? Let's do a song. Let's just do a song while we wait, you know? So, let's do main theme Animal Crossing New Horizons. Because it's a good song. I'm gonna be singing it. Alright, this is karaoke. Not that. Do not, that's an ad. Do not do that. Bam, bam, bam.